Are you recording like what?
Okay, what do you guys want? 28? We can bounce around. We can bounce around. Will you guys make sure as we go through this, if you thought you got this one, make sure you check your answer to see that you got it right. Okay? So the acronym that we were working with on Friday, the 4 letters were? FOIL. Okay? FOIL. And that is to help us remember that, what do we do first? First, outer, inner, and then last. Okay? So that's just a little mnemonic device for you to remember the 4 multiplication things that you have to do in each one of these problems. Okay? So, what's the first term in this parentheses here? 8c. What's the first term in these parentheses here? 6c. Okay? And so when I multiply those two together, what do I get? 48c squared. Because 8 times 6 is 48, and c times c is c squared. Okay?
What page was this?
This was page 489. Alright, so that was first times first. Now I'm going to multiply together the ones on the outside. So what are the 2 terms on the outside of this problem? Negative 7, that's important, and 8c. Okay? So negative 7 times 8 is negative 56. And then I only have one c, so I just write a c there. So first times first, outside times outside. Now I'm going to do the ones on the inside. What do I get when I multiply those together? Negative 6c. And then I'm going to do the last term in this parentheses times the last term in this parentheses. Negative 1 times negative 7 is positive 7. Okay? So this is first, outer, inner, last. Notice that you will never multiply together 2 things in the same parentheses. I will never multiply the 8c and the negative 1 together. I will never multiply the 6c and the negative 7. Okay?
It's weird because Marcus was saying how he wanted to do it.
Well,
I told him not
if he wants to, that's okay, but it is wrong. Okay? So, what are you going to do? All right, not done yet. Oftentimes, these middle terms can be combined. Negative 56c minus 6c is a total of how many c's? Negative 62c. So this, right there, is my final answer. Can, yes, but can we let this settle in just for a second? Yep, take your time, it's fine. Dylan?
This recording thing has audio.
Yeah, this recording thing has audio. Anybody want to say hi to all the people out there in YouTube land?
This is YouTube? Oh my god, I could be famous.
Not on YouTube yet, but what I'm going to do, kids, for you, I'm going to try. I don't know how long this is going to last, but I can record what we do, and then if you're absent or if you didn't understand it and you want to go back over, you can get onto YouTube and you can watch it. So
shout out to Paige.
You don't really have to worry because nobody else in their right mind is ever going to watch this, except for you guys.
Hey, Mr. Aldridge, look at this stick. It's a pencil.
What's the program? It's this thing that does it. It has a recording. Okay, somebody said 17. Okay, so let's take a look at 17.
Yes, babe. Where's the microphone?
The microphone is in the laptop. It picks my voice up and it picks up yours a little bit, not as well, but
Yeah, we should distort our voices.
yeah, you'll be able to hear that a little bit. Jacob, please stop. All right, so we're still foiling. So first times first. 2h squared, because this is the first term in these parentheses. This is the first term in these parentheses. So if I multiply 2h times h, I get 2h squared. Okay? Then what do I do next? The O stands for outer, so I need to do the outside terms together. So what is 2h times 9? No! What am I doing with these numbers? I am multiplying, not adding. So 2h times 9 is what, Jacob? Thank you, Jacob. 18h. Okay? Then what do I do next? Then what do I do next? Inner. And so in this case it is negative 7/8, and the negative is important. And then I'm going to do the last numbers in each parenthesis. So negative 7 times 9 is negative 63. Okay? So once again, we are foiling first, outside, inside, last. What can I do now to wrap this up? Nolan? And what are the two like terms that I would combine in this case?
18h and negative 7.
Okay, 18h minus 7h gives us a total of 11h. And so this is my final answer. And so almost always there will be some terms that you can combine before you're done. Okay? Yes? Okay. Any other ones you need help with?
Just do 26 and then I'll be finished.
26 and we're good?
26 and we're good.
26 and we're good. All right, that's a deal. Mr. Trimble?
Yes.
Okay. Bring it back. Sure.
Don't break it and then bring it back.
Thank you.
It doesn't seem
You
very
walk out with a
fun.
sledgehammer.
Here you go. Okay, here we go again. Ready? Last chance to get it. First time's first. Raise your hand. Oh, psych me out. Oscar? You guys got all excited and raised your hand. 18h squared. Nice. 3h times 6h gives me 18h squared. Okay, outer, raise your hand. Jacob. Negative what? Negative 15h. Okay, inner, Chase. (12h). Very good. And then last times last, Alyssa. Negative what?
10.
Negative 10. All right, awesome. Okay, almost done. Who can tell me, raise your hand and tell me what like terms you can combine. Raise your hand and tell me what like terms you combine. Lexi.
Negative 15h and 12.
Okay, so these combine to give me what? Oh, you just know that you have to combine them? Okay, what is negative 15 plus 12? What is negative 15 plus 12? If you all play football, it'd be easy to teach this because all you have to think is if you lose 15 yards on one play and then you gain 12 yards on the next play, how much did you lose altogether? Okay, good deal. Minus 3. Thought you were going to say
That's why I cheer for football. I don't.
Okay, good deal. All right.
She's
how
like,
about
yeah,
if
you got
it's,
that field
hey,
goal. It's really a touchdown.
if it's 15 below 0 and then the temperature goes up 12 degrees, still. Okay. All right. Okay. So we good?
Yep.
Yeah.
I think I did all these wrong.
Okay. But do you understand how to do it now?
Yes.
So you can redo it and turn it into me tomorrow?
It's
Okay.
k times k squared.
K times